Hi everybody, my last vacation. I am going to talk about my last vacation. I went to Egypt in December. I visited the pyramids of Giza and I stayed at the Grand Nile Tower Hotel. What did you do last vacation? I took photos of the pyramids of Egypt and rode a camel. In this picture, I was taking a nap at the Grand Nile Tower Hotel. In this picture, I was reading a camel in the Sahara Desert. In this picture, I was taking photos at the pyramids in Giza. In this picture, I was drinking soda at Mall Alimaji. In this picture, I was swimming at the Red Sea. What did you do to protect places you visited on vacation? I picked up trash, took care of plants and animals are recycled. Thank you for your attention. See you!